Step 1. Cut the bread in half horizontally and then cut it a half again vertically. You don't have to, but I cut it each one in half again just to make them a little smaller so I have more, but it's optional. So for the time being, I set them on a plate and put them to the side. Step number 2, you need about 1 tablespoon of butter, and then you're just going to put it in the bowl and put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. Step number 3, you just need to mix it around so the bottom of it melts because it's already warm, and then smash it a little bit because that's going to help it melt a lot faster instead of having to wait, another minute. It only needs about 15 or 20 more seconds, and then just mix it until it's all melted. Step number 4, take each piece of bread and put it in the bowl. Make sure you get it covered in butter so the cinnamon sugar sticks. Also to make it taste good. Step number 5, add in some sugar. You need about 1/4 of a cup, and then add in cinnamon. You can add as much as you need. It's okay if there's a little butter in there, it doesn't even matter. It does make it a little chunky, but it's fine. Step number 6, toss them all in the cinnamon sugar. I had to make 2 batches, but it's fine. Step 7, put them on a pan. Next, put them in the toaster oven. You don't need an actual oven, this makes it faster. I put it in for 2 minutes, checked on it, then turned it around and put it back in for another 2 minutes. In the meantime, step number 8, I put a little bit of water and some blueberries in a bowl. I then mashed them. It looks a little disgusting, but this blueberry sauce will taste delicious with the churros. You can already see that the water's turning a little bit of purple, but after they were smashed, I made sure they were very smashed. I put them in the microwave for 30 seconds about, and added a little bit of cinnamon sugar. After it was done in the microwave, I just popped it out and set it down. Step number 9, I added a little bit of cinnamon sugar, as you might have been able to see. There's a little bit of steam coming off of it because it's hot, and I just mixed it really, really good. You do not have to strain it, there's not much of a point. Once the churros cooled, I put them on a plate with some whipped cream and set the blueberry sauce next to it, and it was time to eat. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want some more cooking videos.